Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to tell you a little bit about a product I've recently discovered. So basically what it is it's called Sébium MAT Control. It's almost like a primer that you put on before you apply makeup. So it's a moisturizing product with 8-hour matte and smooth technology for instant deep down results for naturally beautiful skin. It biologically regulates shine with zinc and vitamin B6. It refines skin texture and tightens pores with keratotic active ingredients and astringent, which is perfect for me because I feel like not that I have big pores, but they enlarge a little bit like in the summer, like depending on like what the weather is and stuff like that. It limits the appearance of skin irregularities with fluid active patented complex. And that fluid active patented complex biologically regulates sebum quality and provides lasting protection against blocked pores, which can cause blemishes, which definitely happens to me. Like my pores get clogged up and then I'll get like just a breakout. I actually have one right now, unfortunately. This especially happens to me in the summertime when I'm like, if my skin gets a little oily from the humidity or whatever the case is, then it could lead to a yucky breakout, which is awful. So yeah, it regulates shine. The 8-hour matte and smooth technology treatment acts on the skin to biologically regulate shine, refine the skin texture, and tighten pores. The fluid active patented complex regulates the sebum quality and also prevents the appearance of skin irregularities. So I'll just give you a little bit of a background on why I purchased this. I have a very oily T-zone, which can be very, very frustrating. And I had a professional makeup artist do my makeup for my wedding, and she's super awesome. I'm like so picky with letting someone do my makeup. Like they have to do it the way that I want it done, and she was just really top notch. The girl that I used was very good. She was like on Jerseylicious and was on a couple TV shows, and she wasn't cheap, but she was awesome. And she actually recommended this to me because I was like, look, I got married inside of an aquarium, which could be humid. I'm like, I'm not going to always have time to like go to the bathroom between taking photos and like, fix my skin if it gets oily or whatever. And she's like, okay, we got to put on like this Bioderma Sebium MAT Control primer, shine control moisturizer. This way that, doesn't happen, or you could prevent it from happening. Because I get like my T-zone is like my nose, my forehead especially, and then like a little bit of my chin. It's just like that middle area of my face that can get really oily, and I think that is common amongst some people, and I just like it to look matte and like just like not shiny. So what else I like about this product, it's paraben free, it's hypoallergenic, it is a scented formula, and it's non-comedogenic, which I only buy non-comedogenic products because they help from fogging up your skin. So just want to show you guys, like it's like a white, you guys can see here, a white liquid lotion almost, and it's very, very smooth and very soft to the touch, and it's very easy to put on, and I really like it. You guys see right there, it does have a really lovely pretty scent that's not overpowering, and it just feels so smooth on your skin. And I mean, you only put this on your face, of course. I put it on my neck as well. It just blends it in real good. I love the scent of it. It smells delicious. Comes with an easy screw on top and bottom. This is kind of like the smaller size, so apply morning and or evening to cleanse skin. I just do it, I always wear makeup every day, so I put it on my skin in the morning before I do my makeup, and I kind of let it sit in for like a good 10 minutes, and then I'll apply my makeup, and I feel like it helps my makeup go on like a little bit smoother as well. I love the fluid active patent that it has that purifies the skin. Fluid active patented complex provides lasting protection against blocked pores that cause irregularities. Bioderma is actually really great. I went to aesthetic school all the way to do facials and stuff like that, and then this was like one of the brands that they would use. Not this particular product, but I was, definitely recommended. They're like pore refiner cream, exfoliating gel, stuff like that. Also have like a mecular water. I think I might be saying that wrong, but you might see commercials for that. That's a new product that a couple brands have came out with. That's pretty new. It's inspired by your skin. It's dermalogic. It's tested by dermatologists, so they give it the thumbs up. 35 years of research and long-lasting efficiency. So I have like the little baby size that I wanted to try out. I'm like huge on trying products before I buy them to see if I like them, which I do. So this is just the 0.17 ounces milliliters, but they do normally sell it in, I think it's 0.96 ounces. So it's like obviously a much larger size, or it's maybe is it 1 ounce? Maybe it's 1 ounce that you could purchase. I'm sorry. I think it comes in a few sizes if I'm not mistaken. So really good overall. It's just a great moisturizer if you have oily skin and want moisturizer that actually moisturizes, and like it just keeps the shine under control. Like, it's great. I love that it doesn't clog pores, wears great under your makeup or on its own, and it's also acting as a light moisturizer. So if you guys want to keep something that's going to moisturize your skin, keep the oil under control, try this out. Bioderma Sebium MAT Control. Hope you guys try it out and love it.